Pizza rice. First take a pan, add oil and veggie as you like. I take onion and capsicum. For spices you add salt, chili flake, black pepper. Now add pizza sauce and mayo. Mix them well. You can also add chicken. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Now add boiled rice. Mix, mix, mix. Sprinkle some mixed herbs. Now add ketchup, mozzarella cheese, sprinkle chili flake and add some olive on top. Bake until cheese melt. Must try, it's super yummy and tasty. Allah Hafiz. Tawa Pulau. First take a pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, then add to onion. Cook until its color change, then add 1 capsicum, 1 takuo peas, 1 small cabbage. Then add spices, salt to taste, pinch turmeric, 1 tablespoon chili flake, 1/2 teaspoon chicken powder, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper. Mix them well, then add the tomatoes. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Cook for 5 minutes until tomatoes soft. Then add paneer. After 2 minutes, then add 2 cups boiled rice. Mix them well, must try, is really yummy. It's ready. Allah Hafiz. Chinese tomato and eggs. Take 3 tomatoes cut and boiled them. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. When it's boiled, remove the skin. Take a pan, add oil, then add tomato. When tomatoes soft, add 1 tablespoon ketchup, green onion and 1 teaspoon chicken powder. Cook for 1 minute. Take 1 teaspoon corn flour and dissolve with water and add this mixture in tomatoes. Cook until it's thick, then take a bowl and add 2 eggs, then add salt to taste, 1/2 teaspoon black pepper, 1/2 teaspoon chili flake and beat well. Take a pan, add oil, eggs and tomato mixture. Cook for 5 minutes. Take a serving plate and serve with rice. It's ready. Enjoy. Allah Hafiz. Dahi Kati. First take a pan, add 1 tablespoon oil, 1/2 teaspoon zira, 1/2 teaspoon garlic paste, 1 chopped onion. Mix, then add 1 chopped green chili. Add 1 red chili also. Add spices, salt to taste, pinch turmeric, 1/2 teaspoon chili flakes. Mix, then add 1 cup yogurt. Mix, 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 it's ready. Enjoy with boiled rice and onion. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Comment also. Allah Hafiz.